Hi everyone! Kung inyo kong ga-follow na nako karon sa Stansted, among hotel is actually located just next to the airport. So, naraw, gawas ako kuan bintana, makita na ninyo. And then, there's the airport right there. Can you see the aircraft? Oh, mo na siya. So today, I am going to Cambridge. I'm still gonna check the tickets kaya wala ko naka-book online. So, that's what I'm gonna do now. Hopefully, medyo sunny. Actually, tugnaw-tugnaw siya karon, so I have to prepare. Like, I literally have to prepare everything from head to toe. I don't have a bonnet, so karon magbutang ako scarf, jacket. And ang akong pants gidoble na ko kay just to make sure mahapunan ko ba basin tugnaw na kaayo. So see, this is my pants and gidouble na ko siya. Ta-da-da! There. Para dili mo kuan musulod ang katugnaw. I'm so happy nagpakita gyud ang sun sa ako akaron. Nawa ganyo rare kayo ni. Rare kayo ni sa London. Every time na ako diri, it's always gloomy. But today, I think the weather is cooperating. Yahoo! I'm so happy the sun is here! Welcome to Cambridge. Gapaadto ko karon sa akong tour boat. Is that tour boat? I mean, like I took a tour para makita na ko ang tibok Cambridge. Kaya they said, dili ni mo ma-appreciate ang Cambridge if you're not going on a tour. So that's what I'm gonna do today. And yes, welcome to Cambridge. They said it's the city that inspired the great minds like Charles Darwin, Stephen Hawking. Muna siya. Oh, lumik yung weather. The weather is pretty amazing. It's 14 degrees, but it's 14 degrees, but I can do it. I just need a proper clothing like bonnet. have to say, excited kayo ko. Excited ko kay lamig ang weather. Bugnaw siya, pero namoy sun. So, ga-enjoy ko. Nag-enjoy gid sa akong laag karon kay, you know, it has been a decade that I've lived in Dubai, and then I appreciate nature more after living in Dubai for almost 10 years na. Lahi ra gyud ko kuan, makita kag nature. It's green, it makes you calm, it makes you happy, so na-relax kay ko ganina. Karon it's time to go back home, or anyway the weather is good in Dubai na, so perfect na sad kayo karon para maglaag-laag sa Dubai. This is surrounded with students. Daghan na kay Asian dere, Chinese. I think they're sending their kids here to school. Yeah, I've seen a lot of Chinese kids. Well, hulat-hulat ko sa akong train. Kuan sa akong mag-vlog sa ako kay kung wala yung kubuhat. Anyway, salamat guys for watching my video. It has been amazing today. I really enjoyed my tour. Oh my gosh, my energy level is going down. Kikapoy na ko.